With constant marketing and the consumer-driven culture, it's so easy to overspend and fall into the following middle-class traps without even realizing it. First, keeping up with the Joneses. Ito yung pressure na dapat nakakasabay ka sa social status and wealth ng iba. These may cause you to spend more than what you make, which will lead to debt. Next, prioritizing consumption. This happens when we focus on immediate gratification over long-term goals. Nasasakripisyo ang retirement planning, education planning, wealth protection kasi we are focused too much on the present. Third, job security. With the pandemic, nakita natin that job security is a thing of the past. Relying on a single income can be risky. A solution would be for traps 1 and 2 would be to set a certain percentage of our income to specific funds para holistic yung financial plan mo. A sample spending plan would be, or you may watch this video para malaman mo paano ba yung tamang pag-budget ng monthly income. A